What if everything you've been told about trading is backwards? You've watched the videos, bought the courses, tried the indicators, and your account is still bleeding. Here's what nobody selling dreams will tell you. Trading is not a hack you find. It's a skill you build. And there's a specific path that takes you from confused beginner to consistently profitable trader. Stay with me. I'm going to show you that path, and I'm going to save you 2 years of painful mistakes. Most people take 3 years to get profitable. Some never do. But if you follow what I'm about to share, you can do it in 12 months. Not rich, not retired, but profitable. And that's the only milestone that matters. This is phase 1, learning the language. Months 1 and 2, think of it like music. You don't play concerts before you can read notes. You don't trade before you can read charts. Right now, you're learning to see what the market is actually saying. 3 things to master. First, market structure. Higher highs and higher lows mean uptrend. Lower highs and lower lows mean downtrend. Learn to spot where trends breathe and where they break. Second, candlestick patterns. Forget memorizing 50 shapes. Learn 5 that actually matter. Pin bars, engulfing patterns, hammers, shooting stars, dojis. But here's the key. Where they form matters more than what they look like. Third, support and resistance. These are zones where price has reversed before. Not perfect lines, messy areas. Practice on 100 charts before you touch real money. Your daily routine? 1 hour of chart study. No trading, just looking. You're building pattern recognition. Like a chess master studying boards. This phase feels boring. Good. If you can't handle boring, you won't survive what's coming. Now phase 2, protecting your capital. Months 3 and 4. Listen carefully. This is where 80% of beginners die. They learn patterns but blow up their accounts. Why? They don't understand this truth. Risk management is the business. Trading isn't about being right. It's about making money when you're right and losing almost nothing when you're wrong. 3 missions. First, position sizing. Never risk more than 1 to 2% on any single trade. Learn this formula. Your position size equals your account risk divided by your stop-loss distance. Master this math or master nothing. Second, risk-reward ratios. Minimum 1 to 2, risk 100 to make 200. Here's the beautiful part. Win only 40% of your trades with 1 to 3 risk-reward and you're profitable. Third, backtesting. Use free chart replay tools. Test your pattern recognition on 6 months of old data. Log every single trade. Setup. Entry. Exit. Result. Emotion. 50 logged trades minimum before live money. You're not gambling. You're building a casino where the odds favor you. Risk management is your house edge. Phase 3. Building your edge. Months 5 and 6. Now you combine skill with protection to create your strategy. Not mine. Not some guru's. Yours. This is where you become individual. Pick one market. 1. Pick one time frame. 4-hour or daily for beginners. Less noise, more clarity. Define exactly when you enter, exactly where you place your stop, exactly where you take profit. Write it down. 1 page. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it yet. Start journaling immediately. Not just profits. Track your setup quality, your execution discipline, your emotional state. Review weekly. What worked? Where did you break your own rules? You will break them. The journal catches you. Now the psychology. Read 1 book. Trading in the Zone. Key idea. Every trade is a probability, not a prediction. Start 5 minutes of daily breathing practice. I'm serious. Emotional control separates survivors from casualties. You think this sounds soft? Wait until you're in a losing streak and your hands shake. Reality check coming. Your first strategy will probably fail. That's not defeat. That's tuition. Most traders iterate 3 to 5 times before finding what fits their personality in the market. Stay with me. The breakthrough is coming. Phase 4. The Crucible. Months 7 through 12. Live trading. Real money. But smart. Rule 1. Micro size only. Risk the smallest amount your broker allows. Your goal isn't profit right now. It's execution discipline. If you can't follow rules risking $1, you won't follow them risking 100. Rule 2. Review cycles. Weekly trade review. Monthly performance metrics. Win rate. Average reward versus risk. Maximum drawdown. Quarterly strategy adjustments. Rule 3. Graduation criteria. 3 profitable months in a row. Maximum drawdown under 10%. 100 trades following your rules without deviation. Only then do you increase size. You're a pilot who trained in simulators. Now you fly real, but at 500 feet, not 30,000. Build muscle memory before the stakes get high. Now the traps. The 3 killers that destroy 90% of beginners. Recognize them, or become a statistic. Trap 1. Strategy hopping. You try a system for 10 trades, it loses. You abandon ship for a better one. Here's what nobody tells you. No strategy wins every month. You're leaving during normal storms. The fix? 30 trade minimum before any evaluation. Track data, not feelings. Trap 2. Revenge trading. You lose. Your ego burns. You immediately take a bigger trade to make it back. This isn't trading. This is emotional gambling. One revenge trade can erase a month of gains. The fix? Hard daily loss limit. Hit it? Close everything. Walk away. Tomorrow is another day. Trap 3. Overtrading boredom. You're in the market because you're bored, not because there's a setup. Listen carefully. Professional traders do nothing 80% of the time. Amateurs trade 80% of the time and wonder why they lose. The fix: set specific trading hours. No setup equals no trade. Boredom is part of the job. Get comfortable with it. Your action plan. 3 steps. Today, not tomorrow. Step 1. Open free charting software. Pick any market. Spend 30 minutes finding 5 clear support and resistance levels. Screenshot them. You just started phase 1. Step 2. Order the psychology book. Read the first 3 chapters this week. Mind before money. Step 3. Create a trading development folder. Education, backtests, journal, strategy. Organize like a professional from day 1. Set a calendar reminder. 12 months from today. Ask yourself, am I profitable? Follow this path, and the answer will be yes. Trading changed my life, not because I found a secret indicator, because I treated it like a craft worth mastering. The path is here. The work is yours. If this saved you from another year of random strategies, subscribe. I'm building something for serious traders, not dream chasers. Comment which phase you're in. Let's build a community of people actually doing the work. Now close this video and go study those charts.